I've had this Pixel 3a for about 1 year. I bought it in June last year, so it comes to about 9 months. Before that, I had to use my dad's iPhone 6 because my iPhone 8 basically died. The battery stopped working properly. It booted, but the percentage was stuck at 0%, causing it to shut down every 2 or 3 minutes. And also it could probably catch on fire if charged for so long. Funny thing is that I replaced the battery with a cheap Amazon extended capacity battery, and it did the same after like 2 weeks. So I prefer to just buy the Pixel rather than spending more money on the same phone. And I didn't like the Pixel, so here we are. Might get a video soon, but for now, it's about the iPhone. So what do I need to repair this iPhone? Well, I sold the display, so that, and I gave the camera away, so also that, and obviously the battery. I was really nervous to get a good battery, because I honestly wasn't even sure if the battery was that killed the phone. Maybe it was some sort of fault in the motherboard. Fortunately, it was the battery. and I mean, I spent about €120 on parts, so it better be the fucking battery. And of course, I wasn't going to go with another gamble, so I bought an iFixit brand battery. I have one of these for a 6S, and I've had no problems with it yet. I did go with eBay for everything else because the prices on iFixit are really high. But fortunately, not the battery, for some reason. But I, being so nervous that I could get something wrong, I got something wrong. I accidentally ordered the display for an iPhone 8 Plus, and I have a normal 8. So now I had to wait for the seller to cancel my order, which took 1 day. When I got the refund, I instantly ordered the correct display. Fast forward a couple of days, and everything is here, except the camera, which is great. So I'm gonna leave without a camera for a week, apparently. So let's prepare my phone. Fellas, they've arrived. Display and the battery. Unfortunately, not the camera. The camera is coming in 5 days, and I cannot wait. I miss this phone. I wanna fix it now. And just to check if it actually works, it's actually gonna be quite easy. So because it's just plugging in 3 cables and that's it. So let's do this quick. Of course, I'm gonna have to transplant the front-facing camera and the home button and everything. But first, I want to check if it actually boots, because I spent a lot of money on this. Yeah, I have to calibrate this, so I will do this if it works. Man, I really hope it works. I'm actually really nervous. First, I'm gonna need some box, the iPhone's holder. I'm really nervous. Display's connected. Now, the moment of truth. 74. My resting is like 60. No adhesive yet, but let's plug it in. Will it boot up? Oh, please boot up. Please have a percentage. Oh, look at that. It's a percentage. Oh my god, my password. Hey, I miss this thing so much. I can't go back. Oh yeah, Siri. Hey Siri. Oh shit. Hey. No, not Edge. I still got it. Yeah, I did this like months ago. Oh. Shut up. Shut up. 100%. I miss this thing so fucking much. I want to use it right now. Okay, now we're gonna unplug everything without messing it up. That's important. I don't want to break this thing now that it's brand new. Okay, so we're gonna do stuff in here. First, let's remove this. First, I'm gonna take off the spare display that I've had for a long time. This is actually a friend's. And yeah, I didn't even bother to replace this. Shielding. So the camera is now plugged in, plus the earpiece. Now for the scary part, the home button. I have in a box. Box has been closed in months and months. And there it is. My home button. Look how tiny it is. Better not mess it up. So my Pixel has run out of battery. The battery bank is completely dead. It's 0%. So I'm actually using my PC to charge the thing. But now that I'm a bit more calm, I was able to plug in everything and it should be working now. If it's not working, I'm gonna be really sad. This is a special moment. I'm gonna plug the battery in for hopefully the last time. Plastic is off. Wait, first I'm gonna plug it in. It is in, and the battery is inserted. I'm so nervous I can't screw this in. It's in. Okay, the Pixel is at 1%. We have to do this. Okay, let's power it on. Yes. And we can remove the peel. There it is. Hey. Fully functional except the camera. Yep, it's dead. So yeah, I'm gonna use this now and see you in a bit. Well, 2 minutes ago, the mailman came and I have this, the camera that was missing from my hands for a fucking week. I've been using this phone daily. I love this phone, but not having a camera is really annoying. That's my Google Pixel. If I try to take a front-facing photo, it doesn't save. And it just crashes the camera. The only way for it to work is to do this, into a burst photo. Now it saves. And also a flashlight doesn't work. So yeah, let's shut this down and install a camera. Also, I've been living with an open phone. I didn't put in the screws in here, so yeah, my phone just open. Luckily, it doesn't rain in here, and I'm barely around water anyways. And the only day that it rains, I stay at home, and that's good because I hate rain. So, let's do it. iPhone box moment. Yeah, everything seems right, nothing weird happened. You know what, I'm gonna move the camera. Okay, I've moved the camera a bit. It's sitting in an Amazon Echo Dot box. I don't even have an Amazon Echo. I have the wrapping in here. Where is my not knife? Surprisingly, it only came in this wrapping. Oh, and here it is. It comes with a lens cover, that's cute. How do I remove this? I did it. So, let's put it in. It's gonna be easy. Can't get it in. The shielding. Okay, yeah, it's the one for this phone. I am pretty sure it's not the correct screw, but it fits. I'm just trying out different screws because I have no clue which the one that fits in here. Oh, I think I found it. I think that's the correct screw. It only took me 15 minutes. Okay. It's on. And let's close it for the last time. Let's put in the only case screw that I have because the other one is lost. Now, for the moment of truth, did I break it? Yes. Well, no, but yes. What time is it? Oh, thanks. Hey! It works and it focuses. Here's a photo of my setup. It saves. Yes. Yo! What's going on? Filming a video. Does the flashlight work? Hey! Alright, so I think we're done. I can finally put my fucking case in it and call this thing fully working again. The iPhone has been restored after a fucking week of waiting. But we do have to give my Google Pixel a goodbye. And that goodbye is gonna be in form of... I'm gonna put it back in the box that it came in. In all seriousness, I liked the Pixel. It wasn't the best phone I've had, but it was fine. Oh wait, I need to get the videos out of it. Damn it. Now we're here for like 20 minutes more. At least it's USB-C. Apple, you could learn that. So, I finally have a working iPhone with a camera. Let's take a photo, I guess. Smile. That looks disgusting.